Today, a bright pink dragon fruit became the main character of the kitchen. Mixing simple things together, turning them into soft pink dough. Now we wait. Good things take a little time. While waiting, the dough quietly transformed inside the bowl. Just a little sweet cream on top. Time for a taste.